Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Hitachi ID Bravura Privilege. This video illustrates how Bravura Privilege orchestrates password changes for service accounts and their subscribers so their credentials remain in sync, allowing subscribers to function seamlessly during a service account password update. Service accounts normally have one or more subscribers, or services, that are dependent on service account credentials to function. When the password for a service account changes, the services and other subscribers that use those account credentials must have their properties updated so that the services still have the ability to run. Bravura Privilege is able to secure service account passwords and update subscribers with password changes. Subscribers to an account are automatically determined by Bravura Privilege based on data gathered during auto-discovery. When a managed service account password is randomized in Bravura Privilege, it is then able to notify all of the service account subscribers of the new password value. This is valuable for subscriber services, so that those services can successfully launch after a system restart or when an administrator manually stops and restarts the service in question. Without the synchronized password update to the service account and its subscribers, the subscribers would stop functioning and would cause an interruption in services. In this demo, the local service account is a service account used to run a subscriber service called Test Service on the workstation server Win1. We will demonstrate why it is important for service account and subscriber credentials to match and what happens when they fall out of sync. Then we will show how Bravura Privilege is used to keep passwords between service accounts and their subscribers synchronized during password changes. To show that the service account password and credentials listed for the subscriber test service must be in sync, the administrator will test the service when passwords are in sync and then again after manually changing one to make it out of sync. To begin, the administrator has already logged into the Win1 Windows workstation. The system has already been set up with the local service account and test service credentials in sync, so running the service should succeed without issues. The administrator opens Services, locates the test service, and restarts it. The service successfully restarted as expected. Now, the administrator will add some random characters to the test service credentials within the service properties so that the password between the service account and subscriber are no longer the same. They open the service, select the Log On tab, and make a change to the password. They click Apply to complete the change. A message appears indicating the change will not take effect until the service is stopped and restarted. They click OK to close the message, and then click OK to confirm the change. Now the administrator stops the service and attempts to start it again. Windows can't start the service due to a login failure, as expected, since the test service now has credentials that don't match the service account it's using. The administrator clicks OK. Now that you've seen why it's important that the service account and subscriber credentials match, the administrator will use Bravura Privilege to change the local service account password through randomization, which will update the test service subscriber credentials automatically. The test service subscriber will get updated automatically because the administrator has already managed the service account, Win1 local service account, in Bravura Privilege and used auto-discovery rules to include and confirm the test service as a subscriber that needs to be notified of password changes to the Win1 local service account. To randomize the service account password, the administrator opens Chrome, launches Bravura Privilege, and logs in as superuser. Authentication is bypassed for demo purposes. They navigate to Manage the System, Privileged Access, and select Managed Accounts. They search for the local service account Managed Account. Select the account, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Randomize Password, and then click OK to confirm. The information message shows that password randomization is being processed for the account. A link is provided to check results. The administrator clicks the link. The Manual Password Randomization Batches window appears, showing the randomization and orchestration results. Once completed, the reported results show the randomization was successful and orchestration is finished. Then, if they jump back to the workstation services and attempt to start the service, it should work since the passwords will be back in sync from the orchestrated password change. To test, the administrator opens Services, right-clicks on the Test Service and selects Start. The service now starts successfully, as the service account and subscriber credentials both match after being updated to the new randomized password by Bravura Privilege. This concludes our demonstration of managing Windows service accounts using Hitachi ID Bravura Privilege. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click the links in the description below to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.